Gazini. How are you? Look at this outfit. Oh my god. It's amazing. Gazini. Canal Filipinas. Guys, pero in Palestine, it means Gaza, right?
Yes. Yes, definitely Gaza.
There's this one girl from Lebanon. She runs Miss Lebanon pageant. She really loves you. She wants you. She's been a fan since 2019. She wants you to win.
Hi to Miss Lebanon pageant and to everyone from the Middle East. I really appreciate all the love and support, and I hope that I'll be able to represent you with a clear heart and a purposeful mind.
Oh my god, that's so sweet. Alam mo, she said it's gonna make her year. So that's so sweet. Thank you guys.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Chicos, mucho cuidado con Miss Grand All Stars Italia, que está demostrando por qué es una venezolana y se está comenzando a meter y opacar a muchas. Soy Jens Castro y aquí te lo cuento. Miren chicos, Miss Grand All Stars Italia, que en realidad nació en Venezuela, es venezolana, participó en el Miss Turismo y ganó el Miss Turismo para Venezuela, tiene padres italianos y está representando por eso a Italia. Miren cómo se impone en grupo, es kilométrico. Ella es maestra de pasarela y hace instantes ha impactado con su salida en el tercer día de competencia. Miren lo kilométrica, creo que mide más de 1.85 con tacones o más incluso. Es kilométrica, excelente pasarela, oratoria en inglés, wow. Así que prácticamente Venezuela tiene 3 reinas, a pesar de que está representando Italia, también es venezolana y viene fuerte Fadia Halabi, Miss Grand All Star Italia. ¿Qué te parece? Déjame tus comentarios, Dark Horse.
So mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood yung latest update video natin ngayon dito kay Gazini Ganados para dito sa kailang event sa Blue Elephant. Dahil nga nagkaroon sila ngayon ng cooking class dito sa kailang day 3 ng kanilang competition sa MGI All Stars. At sa second part naman ng video is inyo pong napanood yung pambato ng Italy na si Fadia Isabel Halabi. Dahil usap-usapan siya ngayon dito sa Latin community yung lakas ng kanyang presensya dito sa nasabing beauty pageant competition. So usap-usapan siya dahil sa lakas ng kanyang dating na kung saan ay napansin kaagad ngayon ng itong Latino vlogger na si Jens Castro. So itong si Isabel Halabi is officially representing Italy in the inaugural MGI All Stars First Edition pageant. The groundbreaking competition is currently taking place from May 18 to 30th of May 2026 in Thailand. So siya ay 38 years old at yung kanyang height mga kapolitika is 182 cm. At siya rin po ay isang model, entrepreneur, and founder of the Farimi Mother Academy. Fluent in Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, and English. So itong pambato ng Italy is also na-notice mga kapolitika ng mga netizen na kakaiba yung kanyang presensya and di ba sinabi natin na ang magiging judging dito is base doon sa score na ibibigay ng panel of judges. So apparently is isa ngayon aside doon sa ating na-mention of course itong taga Colombia na si Vanessa Pulgarin at si Peru. So idagdag natin sa listahan mga kapolitika itong newly discovered na pambato ng Italy na si Fadia Halabi. So bukas po is magkakaroon po ng appearance itong si CJ Opiasa para dito sa kanilang Welcome All the Stars to Bangkok. Meet CJ Opiasa, Miss Grand International 2024, the official host of Welcome All the Stars to Bangkok, May 19, 2026. So a glimpse of the first day of show rehearsals. Every star did an amazing job. A beautiful journey through the flavors, aromas, and elegance of Thai cuisine at Blue Elephant Bangkok Sathorn Cooking School and Restaurant. So far mga kapolitika, yun po yung ating pinaka-latest na update ngayon dito sa nagaganap pa rin na MGI All Stars. So ano mga kapolitika ang yung masabi dito sa pambato ng Italy na si Fadia Halabi? Malakas kaya ang kanyang maglaban dito sa beauty pageant competition na ito? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
¿Cómo está? Estoy bien, estoy bien.
Muy bien. Muy bien.
Muy bien. Okay, tell me what's happening here.
Okay, so I'm about to try this papaya salad. I just made it. Let's see if it's really spicy because I hope it is.
Do you love spicy?
Yes.
Okay. So good. Aroy ma.
Spicy?
Aroy ma.
Spicy?
Aroy ma. Spicy. Really spicy?
You want to try?
Okay. Let me try. So this is what you made, right?
Yes.
This is what you made. Okay, let's try this. This is spicy, so let's try. I'm good with spicy, so let's try.
Spicy. It's good.
She's so good. So good. Good job, girl. So good. Just a little bit of lime,
Yes.
a lot of tangy flavor, spicy, a little bit of sweet. So good, so perfect. Thank you. Miss Philippines.
All Miss Philippines.
How are you?
We're great. We are doing.
What are you doing here?
We are just mixing the
Okay,
papaya.
cooking.
Show us what's happening here.
Here.
Okay.
How do you call this again?
Okay, so I'm eating, but end of this, I'm done. This one is sweet. Oh my god.
It's the perfect.
It's sweet.
balance,
It
right?
tastes like a hint of like green mango flavor.
But in Filipino, it's called achara.
Actual achara, correct. Ang sarap.
Correct. Ano ba sa? What can you say? Masarap.
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 Delicious.
Ay, masarap.
Ay, masarap. Yes, you are Aroy Macman. Fuchsia.
Hi. Yummy.
Lamig
Kayo.
Mga Cebuana dyan. Uy!
Wow. Lamig
Very good.
kaayo. So, back to labor. Manual labor muna
Ay,
tayo.
yes. Ang iba talaga pag Bisaya, guys, kasi it's so perfect. Oh my God.
Diba?
Sobrang sarap. Tagalog tayo dito, dahil.
Oo nga.
Okay.
Okay.
For the fans. Oh, mga Bisaya.
Hi everyone, the voting is up now, so don't forget to vote your favorite candidate and please support Philippines
And
Singapore. Yeah.
And this restaurant, because the food is amazing. Mwah.
Lamig.
Mwah. Tayo daw. Okay, let's go. Ah. Okay, let's show them here, this side. So here we have fruits. We have lukchup. Oh my god, lukchup! Yes, lukchup. This is so good. Wait, let me get one so I can try one again for myself. This is a famous dessert. It's made of green bean. It's made of mung beans, right? So good. Let me try one for you. Oh my god, look at that. So good. Okay, let's go.
Go interview.
Hello, Miss Thailand.
Hello, my baby.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And yourself?
Yes, I'm doing good. I'm actually getting full, going around eating while I'm tasting. How about you?
I know, I ate quite a bit too. Very delicious Thai food.
Yes. Have you been in this restaurant?
I have been to Blue Elephant in Phuket, but the one in Bangkok is my first time.
And
But it's
how
a
is
very
it?
well-known restaurant all over Thailand, known
How
for
is it for you?
it's wonderful, as always.
Have you eaten already or not yet?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. So you're hungry for more.
Yes, definitely want to try it some more.
And how was your spice level?
Oh, I think I eat the most spicy.
Oh, really?
In the Thai.
Perfect. Perfect.
Hi, how are you? Fine. You ask everyone. Everybody you.
Because I want to know if how
You try the food?
Yes,
Ready?
of course. I love
Okay,
spicy.
okay.
I love to eat and I love to be with girls. Who doesn't want to be with girls? Right?
I love the eat. I love the eat.
Yes. Have you tried the food here?
Yes, I tried the mango sticky rice. It was really, really good. But it's dangerous. Too sweet for me and I become addicted, right?